Load your family into the 2011 Lincoln MKX. With fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Lincoln prioritized handling and performance with features such as a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated and ventilated seats, front fog lights, a power rear cargo door, and power seats. Lincoln also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.